All right. Delivering a mini dumpster in Frisco, Texas. Head cam. All right, I hope this bitch is pointing this way. I'm actually doing two jobs.
I need this black one move and that black one move.
Okay. All right, J-Rock's moving in right now, guys. We're doing two videos. I got a head cam going on top of my head. It's a live, uncut, raw video right here. And then I'm doing an edited video. So J-Rock's gonna move his first mini dumpster of his life. And there are some cautionary points here on this dumpster. So I'm pretty sure he's gonna roll into here. Oh shit. Here we go, the owner's gonna come out. Owner's coming out. We were supposed to get her a 12-yard, but we got a 6-yard dumpster. Hey, did you get my text? I got a 6-yard dumpster. I couldn't get a 12-yard.
Oh, okay, that's
but
fine.
I needed to get you something because I felt bad about yesterday.
Okay,
Is that cool?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so my professional driver that's never done this before, he's gonna do it right now. Please let all the kids get back.
Right,
Don't watch this because we got gas lines all over the place. All right, come on. J-Rock's going to attempt to drive this in here, and we're gonna see how this turns out. You're doing good. You really haven't done anything, but you're doing good. Now brake. There you go. You got it. You got it.
Hey, how am I looking over?
Oh, you're looking good over there. You're far from it. Hold on. Yeah, you're far. You're far. You look like a professional driver. Ma'am, don't laugh at that, okay? That's not funny. You're professional, bro. When I see you, I think Jeff Gordon. All day. All day. All day. Look at you. You stud. You're a monster, bro. All right, let me check the gas lines on the other side. Stop. Okay, you're far from that. Come on, keep on coming. You're not even close to it. Come on. Come on. Ma'am, where do you want it? Over there, right?
There, yeah.
Come on.
I need to get in now.
Yeah. We'll leave it right here and then we'll move it by hand.
I got it.
Oh, you got it? Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, I got it. Well, scoot back more. You got more room. Come on. Keep on scooting back and then I'll move it for you. You got more room. You got more room. Okay. You don't have to scream at me. You don't have to scream at me, okay? Jesus Christ.
You guys are driving on, man. You know my sprinkler system's right fucking there and you probably just fucked it up.
Well, if it's
doing some stuff for our neighbors and we're friends with them.
Yeah.
But you can't fucking drive on my yard with your big ass truck, man.
Oh, we just got right there, boss. If we broke something, we'll pay for it, but I doubt we broke anything.
You got a card? Well, it may be all right, but I've had this happen a number of times, so I'm gonna get out in a second. I just need a business card in case it did.
Okay. Why do you have to cuss at me like that?
Because you're driving on somebody else's property.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you could have just talked to me normal, man.
No.
You just talked to me normal.
You guys disrespected my property. If you're driving on my driveway, I'm totally fine with it, right? But you're getting in my yard where the sprinkler system is. That's pretty standard.
But you think cussing at someone's gonna solve it?
Brother, you're driving on my property. Okay.
All right.
It probably wasn't the best tact. Okay?
No, was
I'll
it?
give you that. But the fact of the matter is, you're driving on my property.
All right.
Okay.
Jay, scoot up.
So, just give me a business card, all right?
Come on. Scoot up. Well, just scoot it over by hand. Turn that way. We'll scoot it over by hand. No big deal. He's got a bad attitude.
Sorry about that, sir.
Well, he's not gonna cuss at you, but he cussed at me.
He like me.
You got that number right with it? It's probably fine, dude.
paper. Shit.
He like me. He don't like me.
He don't like anybody, I don't think.
What if he needs the dumpster?
We got cussed out.
Gonna be the first of the day.
No shit. Lulu? Is she there?
Yeah, she right here.
You want to cuss at me too? I said, do you want to cuss at me too? You barely got on this grass, bro. You ready? Let's get it up first. Let's unhitch it. And let's decide where we're going. So she wants it way over here. Huh? Yeah, sit up. So I'm probably gonna have to put one tire in the grass, okay? Huh? I'm gonna put one tire in the grass so it's really far from you.
We want to be able to come in and out.
Oh, yeah, I need to be.
Okay?
So we need to be about, this tire needs to be right here. It's gonna be in the grass.
Yeah.
Right there.
Tire with the.
This?
No, this.
This
We
tire.
want to be able to come in and out.
You ready?
Lulu ready to go out.
Lulu? She's like never. See where we're at. I can't see it.
Well, can you turn this
Hi, what'd you say? Put it down, Jay. You got it. I'm not doing anything. I'm not even holding it.
this way instead of that way? You know what I mean?
I can't put it that
Of course you
way.
can.
No, I can't because
We can't pick it up.
we can't. We won't be able to pick it up. We got to pick it up with the truck.
Once you put the weight in there, this is what we doing. Ain't no work.
Yeah. Yeah. You can get out this way, but we'll. Yeah. Okay.
Just push it over like this way a little bit.
Okay.
And then
Jay. Ready?
Hercules!
like my husband's like, you act like this shit's not heavy. I'm like, no.
We got a carpet.
Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah. I'm getting a strap. What you got? Bro, what you got?
It came out a little bit, bro. I'm gonna send a little silly sale. My carpet action. Want to put it over there? Put it one on. Hit me though. Saying.
You don't need a carpet?
Carpet for what?
It's a red carpet, man.
Oh, that carpet? Like if I want to throw away in style?
That's all I got.
That's all we need. It's a carpet.
Yeah, where are we gonna put it at? We loosen these two up?
No. Let's just get it right. Let's get the carpet right. Move back. Open it up.
Okay. Okay. You wanna roll it long ways?
No, this way. Show it.
Okay. All right, come on.
You would never have no tape.
Why can't we listen? Hey, homie, let's unhook this right here.
I got it, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a case of kitty.
Ma'am, I'm gonna stay over here with you in the shade
Yes.
because it's so hot out there.
You can jump in the pool. Go ahead.
Oh my gosh.
Go ahead and jump in, and then you can just ride sopping wet.
I'm so scared right now. So hot.
Like, I don't know, junk.
I want to see what you're gonna do with the carpet.
Tape it.
And put it where?
Loosen up both of those straps from the back.
I just said, should I loosen them up right
I
now?
thought you were talking about
No. Listen, I think we should loosen up here and just put it across. No tape. No tape. No, ma'am, no tape. Look, like this. Loosen up. Okay. Okay.
I want the tape for a reason. I'm taping it up, putting it in the storage.
Oh, okay.
Calm down.
Okay. He needs his tape now. And again, I'm gonna sit across here. And oh, she's got nice tape. Look at that.
That might run out.
You know, she's got a little tape there. All right, ma'am, that's $150. It's a flat fee. Pay me up.
Okay.
I don't see anything in my hand yet.
Yeah.
I don't see it. Y'all like those, don't they? Or they never write them. They just.
Take debit card,
I take debit. I take Cash App.
yeah.
You have a Cash App account?
No.
Okay. Well, I do take debit. Bro, I don't want to have to go back out there. It's so hot.
You want me to go get that man? You want me to go get that man?
Which man?
This went off on you. Calm down.
No. You're a dick.
All right, come on.
That's it. We need to tape that license plate in a minute.
I'll go get him right now.
I told him, I said, wait, why you talk to people like that?
Know what you told him?
I said, you don't know who I am? Why you talk to me like that?
I don't even know. You get pizza rolled out here. I'm back on my knocking nigga ass right now.
Push yours a little bit more. Ah, screw it. I'm done.
What you call improvising?
Improvising, not improvision. There's not a word called that. You're making stuff up.
Mission.
Hey. All right, head cam video is done. That's how you deliver a mini dumpster with people hating on you.